nigga, cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang.
So I'm gonna just jump right into it. So for this morning, we have a banana smoothie bowl. So I just froze some bananas, blended those up, and topped it with some homemade granola, some melted peanut butter, and a chocolate spread that I made. If I had some fresh strawberries, I would have topped it with some of it too, but this is what I was working with, so I just ended up topping it with a little cinnamon. And yeah, that was breakfast. So for lunch, I just ended up going to Starbucks, got a strawberry frap and some avocado spread. I ate some chips, and then for dinner, I was being lazy, so I just ended up going to Olive Garden, and yes, the breadsticks are vegan. So your girl decided to bake some bread Tuesday morning, so that's what we eating for breakfast. So I toasted up 2 slices. On one, I'm adding some peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, and a little agave. And on my other slice, I'm adding a homemade raspberry jam. For the jam, I just mashed up some raspberries, added a little agave, and some chia seeds. Now I'm trying to make me a quick little frap, so I'm blending together some iced coffee, milk, and raw sugar. I do eat cane sugar. I know a lot of vegans like, no, can't eat it, but I'm still gonna mess with the sugar. It's just too strict not to. But yeah, that was my breakfast. So for lunch, I just had some leftover soup from Olive Garden the other day. The minestrone is bussin'. See, told you. Now this is something I was really proud of in this video because it was bomb, but it was just my version of a Southwest salad. So I fried up some cauliflower, some corn, black beans, made me a little salsa, and then added some tortilla strips, some guacamole, and some vegan cheddar cheese, and topped that off with some vegan ranch. I almost forgot about the raspberry lemonade. So I just made me some lemonade, and then I added a raspberry syrup, which is just mashed raspberries, a little lime juice, and whatever sweetener you like. I use agave, and then I just strained that, and bam, there you have it. Dinner served. Back at breakfast again. So what I'm doing now is just chopping up some potatoes, onion, and bell pepper. I'm gonna make me a hash. So I'm just putting that in a bowl, and then I'm gonna season it. Now y'all, I'm not gonna go through every seasoning I use because like you're gonna see, it's a lot. I know I'm about to break my wrist seasoning these potatoes, but I like my food to have a lot of flavor since I can't get a lot of nothing else right now on this 30-day vegan challenge. So yeah, we finna get some seasoning. So I had to leave my potatoes out for a second, so they turned a little brown, but yeah, they're still good though. So to go along with my hash browns, I'm making a smoothie, which is pomegranate juice, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, peaches, and almond milk. Now I did top this with either some agave or honey, I don't remember which one, but yeah. But then I made some sausage, toasted up some more of their bread, sliced up an apple, and bam, breakfast. Whatever plant-based sausage there was, it was fire. I forgot though, sorry. As y'all can see, I was really proud of my little bread, so I went back for lunch and made me a vegan grilled cheese. And I made my non-vegan boyfriend one too, and he loved the bread, so yeah, I'm a baker now. For dinner, I'm going to be making some stir fries. So for me, I'm just chopping up these plant-based chicken strips that I found and season those really good. And you can see a pack of chicken on the side that I'm going to use for my family. I'm just making 2 different batches of stir fry. Now, everybody seasons their food differently, so I don't want to tell y'all what I use and you come for me because you don't like how it tastes. So you season your food how you want to season your food. I'm going to season my food how I want to season mine. Now, as far as just my veggies for my stir fry, I usually would just buy the actual vegetables and chop them up myself, but I came across a stir fry pack that was only $2, so I just got that. The vegetables were pretty big in it, so I still had to cut them a little bit, and then I cut up an onion and some shiitake mushrooms as well. Okay, so over medium heat, I just added some minced garlic and then threw in those chopped onions and threw in my imitation chicken. Now, I do this first to kind of let the chicken soak up some of the onion and garlic flavors because that's just what I like, whatever. Then I just sporadically threw in the rest of my vegetables and kind of sauteed those up. And my veggies started to stick a little bit, so I just added some canola oil to that, or you can add some water. So with my regular stir fry, I would usually add like 2 eggs to it. So I just cook those on the side, try to scramble them up. I tried to use some vegan egg substitute, the kind you're supposed to scramble and everything, but it just would not work. Like, it just took forever to cook. So I just ended up scrapping it, throwing it away. Yeah. But right here, I just added some of my soy sauce mixture. It's just soy sauce, red pepper flakes, and brown sugar. So you just want to stir that until it's not juicy, and voila. Now, the next morning, we just kept it real simple. Bowl of cereal with some almond milk. And I cannot lie, that's my go-to snack all the time. I'm snacking on cereal all throughout the clips of this video. And for lunch, my boyfriend just happened to bring me by some fries. So guess what I ate? Seasoned crinkly fries. Now for dinner, I am making me some pasta. I had Olive Garden stuck on my mind from when I went Monday, so I'm just going to dice up some onions, dice up some bell peppers, and then I still had some of those shiitake mushrooms left from the stir fry. I'm just going to saute all of that up over medium heat. Then I'm gonna just season my vegetables and then add my marinara sauce. I already had my noodles cooked from earlier, so I just went ahead and tossed those in, and then I ended up finding some spinach in my fridge, so I tossed that in as well. Lastly, I just added some nutritional yeast to give the pasta a more cheesy flavor. And when I plated it, I topped it with some more nutritional yeast, and that was dinner. Friday morning, I was craving sweets really bad, so I decided to make a stupid sweet smoothie. So I'm starting off with some oat milk, and I'm adding some bananas, and then I'm going to add some peaches and go way too heavy on the agave. Just watch. For lunch, I had another go-to for me, which is apple slices and peanut butter. Not gonna lie, I ate like 3 apples. Now, y'all, this was the moment of truth. I was so excited. No, I don't have the footage of me actually making the meal because I didn't know it was going to turn out this bomb because I was just freestyling. But yes, I made vegan soul food, made me a meatloaf, baked macaroni, some yams, and some collard greens, and 2 different kinds of cornbread. Alright, so that's all I have for this week. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please connect with me on all social media platforms.